Hello guys, welcome to your English coach, and today we are going to cover two topics of IELTS speaking part 1 from January month examination. With the help of these questions, you will be able to guess what kind of questions being asked nowadays. So our first topic is reading books. Okay, question number 1, do you like reading books? Why? Okay, you have to answer this question. Do you like reading books? Why and why not? If you like to read books, then you have to tell why do you like, and if you do not like to read books, still you have to tell why do you not like. So here is my take. Well, reading books is one of my hobbies and I often make time to read books. I love reading books on different genres such as fiction, science, self-help, motivation and finance. I believe that reading book is good to improve the life and personality. If you have to say you don't like reading books, so what would you say? Frankly speaking, I don't like reading books. I'm a technophile, so I invest my maximum amount of time doing technical things to improve my technical expertise. Okay, you could say like this. Next question, which book would you prefer for a long journey? Why? Well, the book that I would like to when I'm on a long journey, that is written by Mr. Robin Sharma. It is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. This book has been translated in more than 80 languages and famous people have been through this book and they say that this book is fantastic. So I would love to read that book. And if you do not want to read any book, then you would say in a long journey, then I would not like to read any book. Here I would like to listen to my favorite music because I don't feel comfortable reading books, and when I listen to my favorite music I feel comfortable, and that makes traveling easy for me. Okay, you have said both things. Is it easy for you to read books in English? Well, it is quite easy. I feel comfortable when I read English book because I have been studying English for 10 years and I don't feel any difficulty reading English books. Here I would like to add one thing. I feel happy when I read anything in English, so it is like a fun for me to read something in English. Okay, you have said. And if you do not feel easy, well, frankly speaking, I'm not good at English. Though I read books in English related to my curriculum activities, I don't feel comfortable when I have to deal with unknown words and complicated grammatical structures given in the book. So that really bore me, and I feel that reading English book is quite difficult for me. Okay, so you have answered this way also. What kinds of book people like to read in your country? Well, it depends on their mindset. If I guess, then I would say that mostly people in my country like to read books based on religion because they are intrigued to know more about religions and religious teachings. If I talk about young boys and girls, they are inclined to read books based on science and fiction. Because science and fiction entertain and inspire them, so they are interested in such kinds of books. So we have covered one topic here, it is about books. Now our next topic is about taking notes. This was the topic of January 2022 examination. Do you often take notes? Yes, I do. When I'm in online class, I do take notes by clicking pictures and taking screenshots. If I'm in offline class, then I prefer to take handwritten notes because in offline class it is always advisable to take handwritten notes, and with the help of this activity you can memorize and assimilate the information as well. Do you make a lot of notes on your phone? Do you make a lot of notes on your phone? Well, I would say that it is I make a lot of notes with the help of my mobile phone. When I'm in offline class, then sometime I click the picture, or if I have to write anything useful, then I open the notepad in my mobile phone. Next question, when do you usually make notes? Well, if I have to prepare for exam, then I do make a lot of notes because for preparation, notes are very helpful. One more thing I would like to add here: taking notes has become my habit because I want to gather maximum information to improve my expertise in particular field. So I would say that whenever I feel the information is useful for me, then I do grab that. With the help of my mobile phone, I also carry a little notepad in my pocket, so I also note down. Is it common for people to take notes in your country? Yeah, it is quite common with people in my country, and they are often found busy taking notes because in school times our teachers often teach us to make notes to gather the useful information which can help with examination and later in life. Question: when did you take notes last time? Well, it was yesterday when I was listening to my favorite English speaker, and he used some fantastic words and grammatical structure. So I paused the video and noted down whatever I felt is useful for me. Okay guys, so we have covered two topics here. So taking notes may be a new topic for you. You could also say, how often do you take notes? You could also say that, well sir, I am not comfortable with taking notes. If I have to take notes, take the help of my classmates. Many of them take notes. I just click the picture in my mobile phone and use them later. Question is this: do you make a lot of notes on your phone? You could also say, no sir, I don't use my phone for noting down the things. I like to take handwritten notes. Mostly I take my friends' help, and they help me with taking notes because I'm uncomfortable. I don't like this activity. Okay, is it common for people to take notes in your country? Is it common for people to take notes in your country? I have no idea about this, whether people take notes or not. Yeah, I see them often busy with their mobile phone. I guess that they take notes with the help of their mobile phone, but particularly I can't say anything. Okay, this way you have talked about the topic. You may be confused that you have to say yes or no. Whatever you say, if you say you do not take notes, tell why do you not take notes. If you say you take notes, then explain why do you take notes. This is all about IELTS speaking part 1. Do not curtail your answer. Curtail means do not cut your answer short. Try to give a lengthy answer so you become more talkative, and examiner feels that your communication skill is good, right? I hope that you have enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying our other videos as well, please do not forget to subscribe. We'll bring more exciting videos to help you with your IELTS preparation. Thank you so much. See you next time.